done this in like 2 weeks and I've already forgotten like what I do. Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and I'm back with another real-time unboxing and review video. Before we get into that, I just want to say big up yourselves, innit? Like, I just want to show mad love everyone out there who's been showing love to me, because we just gone past 500 subs. We hit 500 a couple weeks ago, but I ain't done a video and it feels like forever, but it's only been like 2 weeks. But regardless, big up yourselves. Really appreciate anybody who comes through and stops on these videos. But let's just get into today's business, right? Jordan 6s. Jordan 6s is what I'm going to say. What we've got to open up here is a pair of the wash denim, I think it's called wash denim, Jordan 6s. Now, these were released just exclusively in GS sizing. And if you catch my story on Instagram, you knew I was a little bit salty because they put up some madness like, yo, you can wear these to the school disco. And I was like, bro, they're my size, innit? But I picked them up regardless. Even though I don't like Jordan 6s, I've sold my UNCs. If anyone wants my bust up Carmines, you're welcome to them. So I don't really know why I bought them. I think I just wanted to see if they were going to be butters in real life. So I guess there's really nothing else left to do but to open them up. Now, I know it's a long thing, but as always, this is a real-time unboxing review video. So as you can see, we're all packaged up here. I haven't had a look inside yet. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, but don't forget to leave a like, a comment, or subscribe if you're enjoying this video or any of my others. Who put a flipping sticker on the thing? Or rip it like He-Man? Now, with like most GS's releases, you will get lumbered with the boring Jordan box. So it's just that normal black with the gold Jumpman on the lid, the front, and then also the sizing. Now, if you've seen any of my other 6s videos, I do like to size down on these. I don't know why, it's the only GS size I have to size down on. So these are just a straight up 5. I've only seen one picture of these on Instagram, which wasn't good quality. And they look kind of ugly. But weirdly, I like ugly things in it. I don't know what it is, but we'll see. They're not ugly. They're not ugly, bro. Okay, I'm shook. So let's get to the details real quick. This actually isn't the first time we've seen a wash denim pair. They actually did release a darker shade, which I think was in either a full size run or at least it was in the bigger sizes. I believe it was back in 2019. If I'm wrong, I know some like shoe warrior will come for me in the comments, but I believe it was in 2019. But what differentiates these is these have actually been acid washed. So the top here is in a denim and it's been acid washed to give it that lighter appearance. You can see little darker bits like on the toe and around the sides here. I don't know if that means that all pairs are going to be different, because when I did read up on it, it did say where the darker areas were going to be. So I don't know if that's just where they concentrated it, but it still doesn't necessarily mean they're all going to be the same. The underlays as well are actually also in like a denim material, in a fabric material. But just in that clean white to contrast, which also has on top of the denim, you can see the white stitching. I think it's a nice little contrast. I'm not gonna lie, it came out way cleaner than I was ever expecting. Heading to the back of the kick then, we just have this little understated Air Jordan with the Jumpman just stitched on there in the black. Above that, we do have a nice little heel pull tab to help you get your kicks on. Now, this is in a nice light blue, again, just to complement the kick. But we do also have this like a little racing stripe of a yellow. But it's not like a in-your-face yellow. It's quite on the paler, more of a pastel, which actually matches the toggle, which we'll get to later. When I first saw the toggle, I thought it was more of a cream. But seeing the back, I see what they're going for now. It is more of a yellow. As always with the 6s, we have these little perforations on the side then, just to give you that little bit more airflow, a little bit of ventilation when you're wearing your kicks. They just go into this nice white tongue with the Air and the Jordan on. I don't know when they lace up 6s, they always lace them so tight, so I can't actually pull it out, but when I put it on feet, you will be able to see that. As stated, it then goes into that little toggle with the Jumpman, and this is pretty much standard on the 6, like the lacing system around here, like it's standard on a 6. And then we've got the white and the black Jumpman just goes into these white laces. I'm assuming there's not going to be any spare laces. If you want to swap them out, I don't know if you want to do like a whole denim ting or a blue ting, but I think the white is nice and crispy. Going into that PU midsole then, we just have that again, nice light blue and the white. It trickles down into this air bubble unit and the outsole, which kind of looks translucent, but it's not. But it's just giving that kind of like glow effect if you ever had any kind of glow in the dark kicks. These don't glow, but it's essentially what it looks like. It then goes into the sole, which is a generic 6 sole if you've seen one. We've got that Jumpman right in the middle, which again is just kind of giving you that hint of that yellow, and then a little bit more of that kind of blue and that white semi kind of translucent look. Although these are done up like a virgin's pants, I can see the inside. I don't know why they do them like that, if I'm honest, with the 6s. It's no other shoe they do it like that with. We can just see the white sock lining, and then weirdly inside on the insole they've gone for like a lime green. As always, you know, when it comes around to the edit I'll actually like give you a close-up, but I swear they should have really gone for more of a yellow, but it's definitely more of a lime green. Who cares, no one's going to see it, your foot's going in it anyway. Again, we just got that white Jumpman in the middle, and there's really nothing else to chat about. So let's get into sizing, because I have just been and tried these on. Now, I struggle to recommend people for 6s, just purely because this is the only GS pair for me that I personally have to size down on. Normally on GS, I'm a 5.5 across the board, but I do have to go down to a 5 on these. But a 6 is not a known shoe that you have to do that on, and I am one of those people who kind of I'm a different size in every silhouette, or you know, Adidas, Jordan, Nike. I am a lot of different sizes, so I might just kind of be a weird anomaly. So I'm just putting that out there, that I personally, for my preference, size half a size down, but you equally might be okay just for getting your regular size. So one more thing before I go, you guys do know that I do like to give my kicks a little gas rating, a heat rating, what we're saying straight out of the box, and these weren't what I was expecting. I think you guys kind of picked up on that. Like I said, I seen a pair on Instagram look dirty. I was like, I'm not even mad I didn't get them, but I still went and bought them anyway. But yo, nice pair. I don't see why they didn't do a full size run, or at least a women's release on these. Definitely brought out at the right time. I feel like it's definitely a summer mood crepe. Put these with, you know, a pair of jeans, like, or denim shorts or something. It's definitely gonna pop off. On a summer's day, I can definitely see people rocking these, and for that reason, I'm actually gonna give them a solid 7. Okay guys, so thanks for making it to the end of the video and just kicking it with me, no pun intended, opening up the kicks with me. As always, let me know your thoughts below. Tell me I'm an idiot for buying 6s, whatever you want. Hurl abuse at me, but actually no, don't do that, because people will do that. But drop something in the comments below regardless, or alternatively, you know, you can come over to Instagram, because that's kind of the best place to catch me, if I'm honest. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. As a big man, would you have liked an opportunity to have got these? Like, let me know in it, because it was a bit peak for you. A little naughty, you know, just a little bit. I don't even know what shoe I'm reviewing, bruv. Let's bring it back to Zen, because I feel like it's a lot of chaos happening today. Is it wonky? If it's wonky, yeah, like, you're just gonna have to like deal with it. It's wonky. I've given up. Bro, I've really been filming for 13 fucking minutes. All I've done is record the intro and send a text. Christ, concentration. I'm getting distracted by my notifications. It's hard being popular. JK, it's probably my mum. Oh no, these are decent, bro. Now I'm gonna have to keep them. God damn it.